Hi, good morning, Homestead family. Today's video, we're going to take you on a little tour of our container garden. We'll be right back after the break. Well, welcome back, friends. It's been a long journey on our container garden, and I really appreciate y'all hanging with us on all those parts of that video all the way up till today. You know, we did several videos on how to build a lot of the container grow tables and the herb table and just the irrigation. I mean, it was quite a journey, and y'all hung with us, and I just thought today we just go ahead and take a look at the container garden as it's up and running. I know y'all saw all the little fragments and pieces of all the builds. You just haven't seen the whole thing put together, you know, and up and running. So let's just take a look. I just wanted to show you how all the tables are working and what's happening here. It's a big milestone for us. We're happy to share it with you. Let's check it out. Well, one of the builds in our garden that we built together was our 5-gallon bucket grow tables, and you know, we built 6 of them, and we finally got to put them to use for our fall vegetables. So we've got some vegetable material going in there, and they're working great. We really are thrilled to have these because it's going to be a real blessing if there's some real windy days, and I'm looking forward to sharing videos with you on all the things that we're growing on these tables. So we're working on them right now, and they're just like all of our videos. They're progression videos, and as you can see, they're, you know, just getting started good, but we're working on videos that will be coming to you here in the next short weeks ahead, very soon. So we're working on them as we speak. So these will be coming out, and we'll be sharing those videos with you. But I just wanted to show you how the tables are working. We had all 6 of them set up, and all 6 of them are working. Well, these are the 20-gallon container tables, grow tables. This is actually the tables that we use for our potatoes that we'll be growing in the spring, but this is fall, so I borrowed the tables to grow some spinach on it. So this isn't normally what I put on these tables. It's just I had the available space, and I utilized it. But anyway, there's all 4 of the tables are up. They're all actually being put to use for our fall vegetables, and I can't wait to grow you some potatoes in the spring, and we'll grow them together in a good video coming out. But anyway, these are the 4 tables up and running. Couldn't be happier. Well, here's our 5 tables that we built to hold our 3-gallon containers. You probably remember us building those together as well, and they're all being used right now for fall vegetables. We're excited about it, and we've got plenty of them, you know, because now Nancy's mama lives down here, and she's going to be eating out of our garden as well. So we have plenty of vegetables to share with Nancy's mama, as well as ourselves and our friends and our neighbors and family. So the 3-gallon grow tables have worked out tremendously for us, and we're very excited. And any of y'all that want to grow 3-gallon containers in a small environment, or just a small patio, one of these tables can really put out a lot of fresh vegetables for you. You might want to check these out, and maybe put something like this in your own backyard. It'll hold 18 3-gallon containers with no problem at all. Well, this is our 45-gallon grow table. It'll hold 2 big old 45-gallon containers, so I can grow a huge amount of potatoes in the spring. And since this is fall, I went ahead and used the table. I had some extra spinach that I needed to, you know, put out, so I went ahead and just used half the table. I got 9 3-gallon containers on here, so it's helping me out with my spinach, because we love spinach. But we're looking forward to bringing some videos to you in the spring on taters, and we'll be putting them on this table, as well as the 20-gallon containers tables next to us. This is another feature that we built together. Well, these are the 3 40-inch tall tray tables that we built, you know, on this was like our part one of our container garden, and as you can see, we've got them completely full, and we're enjoying them and growing all kinds of goodies out here on the tray table. So we're happy to have it and look forward to bringing you lots of videos from these 3 little tables. Another milestone that we had to do out here was install irrigation system to water all the grow tables, and we built that together on one of our videos, and it's all been put in and it's all working great, and it has had 0 problems. It's the way to go with these container garden. Well, right here's our herb table for Miss Nancy with the 40% shade cloth on the top. It's been a fantastic addition to the container garden, and we're looking forward to growing all kinds of cool stuff out here in the spring, but we've actually started growing quite a bit here in the fall, lots of lettuces. So let's step up inside here and take a look at it, at the herb table in action. Right now we're growing a whole bunch of lettuce. We eat a lot of salads, and also Nancy likes to make wraps out of these salads. And we've got 3 or 4 different kinds of lettuces growing right now, and we're looking forward to enjoying those in the future. Well, I wanted to thank you so much for watching today, and especially thank you for traveling along on this journey of bringing our container garden to life. It was a long process. You know, it took us 2 years to get to where we could actually plant some vegetables out here. There's a lot of work involved in bringing this place up to snuff, and we still got quite a ways to go. We're going to be bringing you some really cool videos here on vegetable growing, our garden, on the container garden, as well as the earth bed. And in the days ahead, we're going to be bringing you some more of the garden coming up to life and getting bigger and bigger. We've got some more quite large earth beds coming in, trellises, raised beds. So we're just getting started, and I really want to thank you for traveling with us on this journey together. I know it's been a long wait, and we've tried our best to give you everything we could all along the way as best we could. You know, being progression videos, they take a long time to create, especially when the projects that I'm working on takes months and months to get up to speed. So anyway, we thank you, we love you, and we hope that you'll stick with us as we continue to bring this place to life. It's just getting started. So until me and Nancy see you next time, always remember, by His hands we are fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread. Amen.
Have a blessed day.